Hi, hi everyone. Um, I hope this is too early. Uh, but I would like. This is my first, live at IBA. So, so today, I think it is too early, but most of them will be at work or something like that. So I'll start off. So today I'm going to show you some. I'm going to show you some unstitched dress materials and some party wear, and most of them will be the regular wear. So I will show you each one by one. If you like anything, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9986360099. That's my WhatsApp number. Even I have provided that number in the description also. So there's no COD option. The options will be at. Thank you, ma'am. Options will be at GPay, Google Pay, or account transfer. So if you have any issues also, please do contact me, or if you want to see more collection also, please do contact me. So I think I can start showing the products, or I should wait for a few of them to join. Is my voice audible, ma'am? Please, can you confirm it? Is my voice audible? Yeah, can I, so I'll start off because this is too early, right? So I would like to start the products and so first I'm going to show you this beautiful cotton piece, pure soft cotton. You can feel the fabric too. It comes with a yoke part of mirror works like this. Yeah, this price was 1150 with the free shipping. So the tops comes with a beautiful work. So you can see here, and dupatta comes with the chiffon one with the satin lace with the yellow color contrast one. So the beautiful piece. We don't compromise in the quality. So I assure you, whatever you purchase, the quality will be great. So this is the bottom you get, the printed one. So you can see here. So this is the first piece I'm showing you. The price was 150 with the free shipping. So you can take a screenshot and WhatsApp me. The colors may little light in this video, most probably regarding the lighting or anything. It will be like 5% darker. In this we have one more piece. It's in yellow color. It's in bright yellow. I think it's, yeah, two excellent piece. The color is also very bright in color. This is also 1150 was the price. So here the top comes. And dupatta comes with a self color with a contrast like a green. For this it comes with a green color, like almost pista green color border. Okay. And bottom comes with a printed one. So you can check the whole. So this price is also 1150 with the free shipping. Is the colors you can like any glare or anything it comes, please let me know ma'am, so that I can adjust lighting or something else. Sorry. And this is one more piece. This is this price was 1099. It comes with the handwork with the red color, as you can see here. This is actually the bright orange. It's I can see like it's showing, the video was like in light color, but it was like a bright orange. Those who love the bright colors, it's very like too good color. The cotton is also very soft. It's not like, you know, rough cloth or anything like that. Even the tops come with the length of 46 or 44 like that. 44 to 46. So dupatta comes with the chiffon one. This is a dupatta. And this was the bottom. Bottoms comes with like printed one. You can see here. A beautiful piece. Those who love to wear regular pure cottons, I can suggest you these all what I have. I'm showing you pure cotton ones, soft cotton. Yeah, this price was 1099. You can see the work here. It comes with a gotapatti border. In this we have only one in color, that's to orange. Sorry, two colors actually. So this comes with blue in shade. This is also same work you get here. So you can see here, all it comes with the knot work and beads you'll get, and gotapatti border also you'll get. The price was 1099. You can take a screenshot. This all comes with the free shipping. Hi ma'am. So this comes like this. This also comes with the chiffon dupatta with the border of pant fabric. So pant comes with this color with the printed one, as the orange one, it's the same piece. This is the color. See the work. 1099 was the price of this. This is also 1090 rupees with the soft cotton, and it comes with for the yoke part it comes with three things like this. So I'll open and show you. Ma'am, sorry, couldn't understand Hindi because I don't speak much Hindi here. So could you please, if possible, please type it in English so that I can understand. So anywhere in India, it was a free shipping. And this is a dupatta printed, the beautiful printed dupatta for this. These are the so this is the dupatta which comes with a self color dupatta and self color bottom. So this price was 1090 rupees with the free shipping. So this is the bottom with the soft cotton. You can feel the fabric also. You can see here. This is not a rough cotton. Uh, Even if you want with the low prices with the 650, 750 range also I have, but those are not that great in quality. So I'm not even showing you that. Those who want to know the difference, please do WhatsApp me. I will clearly send you the difference between both the qualities, so you can feel it. Yes, this price was 1090 rupees. See here. Those are allowed to wear dress materials. Thank you. Uh, Thank you, mom. So it comes with this. Next, I'm going to show you this in like this price was 1150 rupees. It comes with full of computer embroidery till the yoke part, and sequence work was added little with the gotapatti border. So nice colors like pastel colors. Those who love pastel colors, it goes well. So this comes like this. And dupatta comes with the pure like chiffon fabric with the printed one. I think you can see here the printed dupatta. So nice. So, and the bottom comes with the self color with the cambric cotton, as always maximum members know that what's the cambric cotton feels. So this is soft cotton. You can see here. It's the full length. Those who want to wear like a 46 to 47 or the longer kurta straight cut, you can go with this. Comes with a longer one, you know. And this price was 1150 with the free shipping. We have 4 in colors in this. This is one more color, yellow in color, which I have shown you was pista green. This is little mustard yellow shade. So this is also same work and same print. The colors is only different. Most of my kurta, my dress suit sets will be under 2000, below 1400. So this also comes with a printed dupatta for all. For 4 of these cloths you'll get the printed dupattas with the chiffon one. This also with a plain bottom. Yeah, we do customize also. So if you like to stitch it like something different also, we can suggest you within. This is a nice pink in color. You know, those who love pinks, it goes very well. So this also comes with little brighter work, like bright and light color work, as I can see. Yeah. Please, if you like our collection, please do like it and please forward it to your friends and family so that it will help me out. So this is a dupatta and this is the bottom with the self color bottom. You can see. So nice colors. Those who like to wear a different colors, I will show you few more different colors. This price is also 1150 with the free shipping. You can take a screenshot and WhatsApp me. We have last one color in this. This is gray in color, as you can see. Nice gray. This also comes with a printed dupatta. And self color bottom. Few dress materials will get like 3 meters also, so that you can stitch it as umbrella or anything like that. Which I have in common, like colors, I'm not explaining it again, so I'm just showing you. These are all single pieces I have. So we don't have any colors in this price was 1350, which comes with this nice work with the sequence. Also they have given the sequence also, all the printed one with the pure cotton set. Even dupatta also will get in the cotton. So this is so nice and beautiful. I will show you how it comes. See here, comes with a beautiful even the length also will get like total 47, up to 47 you'll get. And this is a beautiful cotton dupatta. It comes with a pom-pom lace. You can see here, it comes with a pom-pom lace. Cotton one, pure cotton. You can feel the fabric also. It's a different piece. These are all which are different, had only single pieces. So the bottoms come with a self beige color. So it comes with all over print. See, very beautiful piece. This price was only at 1350, and you can take a screenshot and WhatsApp me. Dupatta is also cotton, not a chiffon one. So you can check out the, you can feel this. Yeah. Comes with a beautiful work. And one more single piece I'm having. See, as you can see, it comes with the price is also same as 1350, and it comes with a self weaving, not self weaving. It comes with the sequence work, or thread and sequence work all over the top actually. So this is also full of like cotton set, not chiffon or anything. Again, the dupatta comes with the cotton one. See, you can see here the top comes with the gota patti lace and few stone this was added here on the yoke part. And dupatta comes with a beautiful cotton with the printed one. This is the print you will get for the dupatta. Yeah, those who love white, I suggest you this. You can see here the cotton, the bottom comes with a soft cotton. You can see here the total top. Yeah, this price was 1350. You can take a screenshot and WhatsApp me. Complete all over free shipping. All over India free shipping. And this is one more like pure cotton piece, no need to use lining also. So this is very beautiful piece, and this price was 1380 with the free shipping. So it comes with a beautiful work patch on the yoke part. You can see the shades also. It comes with little gray and everything like that. Yeah. And dupatta comes with a beautiful beautiful work on dupatta also. You can see here, this is not a print, this is work. You can see here. See, this is a dupatta, and the bottom comes with a contrast one. Bottom comes with a contrast. 1380 was the price, and with the free shipping, you can take a screenshot. We have one more beautiful piece. This price was 1190. The yoke part comes with full of, like, the patch comes with full of work and with the sequence lines also, and with the uh, buttons also available in the middle. Beautiful piece actually, the pure cotton, and dupatta comes with the cotton piece. And all over the top comes like this. It's a complete, with a printed one. You can see very nice and beautiful piece this was. You can see the collection. See here, very nice in color. And dupatta comes with a like soft cotton dupatta you'll get with the printed ones. Yeah, those who love cottons, you can aram say you can take these things, very soft fabric. You can feel the fabric. This is also with the same plain cotton bottom. Yeah, very nice in color, decent colors. It's not that odd also. Now these are beautiful pieces. The price was 1050 was the price of this. So as you can see here, it comes with the vertical like lines all over the top, and here for the yoke part the work comes like this with all the computer work, and yeah, all the computer work comes here, and with the gotapatti border. This is also with a pure set of cotton, not any chiffon dupatta. See, the top comes like this. Actually in video little lighter shades it comes. It's little darker, nice peach with like mixed of peach and pink combination. And dupatta comes like this, very soft cotton dupatta. You can see here, very nice in colors and very soft in color, soft in fabric also. See, this is a different piece. And bottom comes with the self color actually. What the top comes, the bottom also will be the same. So this is the bottom. Beautiful pieces. So you can see here the work. It looks like this is the combination. Yeah. Price was 1050 with the free shipping. We have two more colors in this. One is yellow. So if anyone wants the open pick, I can. I have only half an hour of time, so I won't be opening anything. So if I have 4 pieces, I will show you 1 piece open. So if anyone want this pics, please contact me. So I'll share you the pictures, open pictures. So dupatta will be this. Yeah. You can see here, this price was 1050 with the free shipping. Nice bright yellow in color. It's not like light shade. You can see here. And we have one more color in this. This is a little gray in color. So this is the same pattern. You'll get the complete yoke, like the patch comes to the yoke part. Up to 11 to 12 inches you'll get the yoke length. So I'll show you. This is one more piece. This price with the same price, 1050 is the price. It comes with a beautiful handwork here. As you can see, knot work and beads and everything were included in the yoke part. Nice combination. Actually, this is too like bright orange in color. It's not any peach or any shade. All the stuff I'm showing you was very pure cottons, and the bottom comes with a self color for this. this is how the top comes. Dupatta will be the chiffon with the shibori print. See here, with the shibori print. And bottom comes with the like light in color, same color. Those who like anything, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp me. These are also beautiful pieces with the pure cotton set. This price was 1350 with the free shipping. So I'll open and show you one piece. So you'll get the whole mirror work to the yoke, like a patch like this. You can see here. Even the Gotapatti border is also available here. Nowadays, this Gotapatti is more, So here the top comes. Very nice. Those who love white colors, you can go around say for this. Very nice colors. This is a dupatta. Dupatta you'll get like this with the border and the shaded part you'll get for the dupatta. So this is also pure cotton, like soft cotton dupattas, and bottom will be the contrast one. The color you get, which you get here, will be the bottom one. You can see. Yeah. Nice colors, very soft cotton. 1350 was the price. You can see, you can check the quality also. Yeah. So we have two more colors in this. One is this nice beautiful peach in color. You can see here, very beautiful. 1350 was the price. Yeah, you can take a screenshot. If you want the open pic also, I will send you. Please WhatsApp me. Yeah, beautiful pieces. We have total 4 pieces in this. Sorry, we have one in yellow. I think you can see the work clearly here. And this is green in color. All the base was white, only the color combination is a little different. Okay, the colors shades are different for this. Price was 1350. You can take a screenshot and WhatsApp me. This is one more piece. This comes with the 1250 of the price range. So I will show you here. I think some glare. Okay, it comes with a sequence work, beautiful sequence work. Only 2 pieces were left in this. So beautiful in color, pastel shades. Those who love pastel, around you can take this. Only 2 colors were left in this. It comes, even the border comes with the lace down part. In dupatta is also like a pure soft cotton, mull cotton. That's the dupatta you get. Most of the cotton ones you'll get these only. So you can see the dupatta, how it feels. Those loud dress materials. And this is the bottom, contrast bottom. This is 1250 was the price of this. So take a screenshot and WhatsApp me, or if you require any pictures of these, I will send you. So you can check out clearly, or video calling is also available for this. So this is another piece which I have shown you right before. So this is, in that we have another piece. This is light pink in shade with a gray combination. So I'm not opening this because I don't have much time right now. So if you like anything, take a screenshot and WhatsApp me. And 1250 was the price. And now I'm showing you batik pieces. I have only two left. I just at my place and online also, like the best selling product. The within 2 days I like almost the pieces had sold out. Only two pieces left in this. The cotton ones, dupatta comes with the cotton. You can see here jerry also comes for the dupatta. With the contrast one, dupatta comes like this, you know and bottom will be the contrast one, as you can see. And actually for this bottom you'll get design under the ankle. Okay, see, this will be the look. Yeah, the price was 950 for this, and it comes with a free shipping. Price was 950. It comes with the all like it's not too heavy, so full of jerry in the middle part. You can see here. The price was 950. Okay, we have only two pieces left in this. One is that, and one is this green, green with the maroon combination. You can check the you will feel the quality. I assure you the quality first. We have one more beautiful piece here, so which comes with like beautiful sequence work, butterflies to the yoke part, three big butterflies, small, medium and big butterflies. You can see here. And even for the down part you will get this you'll get mirrors and these stones to the down top part, and with the border. And the price was 1090 with the free shipping. And this fabric was too great, and no need to use lining also. Completely like it's like handloom product. It looks like a handloom product actually. So you can see here it comes like this. You can stitch the patterns also for this, because if you want me to suggest the patterns also, I can suggest you. With a simple and beautiful dupatta, with a double shaded dupatta with the butterflies over here. So you can see here, dupatta comes like this with a beautiful chiffon dupatta, and the bottom comes with the plain like pure cotton black. So beautiful piece. 1090 was the price and free shipping. You can take a screenshot. If you need any pictures, I will send you to the WhatsApp. Please WhatsApp me, which I have provided you in the description box. So this is one more beautiful cotton piece. It comes with a beautiful handwork with the sequins and the beads. You can see here with the gotapatti border. Beautiful piece. It comes with the print like chiffon dupatta, not the printed one. Actually, I have a lot to share, but I think there's no time. If you want more products, please do contact me. See, the top comes like this, and plain chiffon dupatta. This is the dupatta. And bottom comes with the printed dots. You can see here the beautiful piece with the different combination, the beautiful handwork in the middle. This price was 990 with the free shipping. Yeah. And we have one more piece in this, the onion pink shade. This is, you can see here, onion pink. Yeah. So I will show you one more piece. This is a chanderi piece. So a little ethnic wear. So beautiful pieces, It comes with the bandhani crushed. It comes with the bottom comes with the satin. So this will be the body part, yoke part. You can see it comes with a beautiful sequence work and all over the work here, kundans and everything comes here. And top dupatta will be the crushed bandhani. This comes with a pink in color, very nice combinations. Party wear, and this price was 1190 with the free shipping. You can see here the work, you can see here beautiful work with all over the cherry sequence and everything. Yep, 1190. So this is one more color which we have. This comes with the pista green in color, and dupatta comes with the red in color. Pista green with a red color combination. And this is one more color. This is light orange shade which comes with orange color dupatta, as you can see here. This is all crushed bandhani. So ethnic wear, 1190 was the price. So now I'm going to show you this beautiful sequence work with the brush paint piece. So this price was 1190 with the free shipping. It comes with a chiffon dupatta with the brush paint and same color bottom. I will open the pic. Beautiful pieces, don't miss them. So the front part will be this, and the back you'll get the plain part. For kurtas, how you get for the ready-made kurtas, so like that, it comes with a beautiful brush paint with a chiffon brush paint dupatta with the tassels under the dupatta, the like color tassels, yellow, pink, red. 2 to 3 colors were added here. You can see. And bottom will be the plain soft cotton. Beautiful pieces, 1190 was the price of this, and we have two colors, under 2 colors in this. I'll show you now. This is yellow in color. This is one yellow in color. If you want, any video calling also is available, so you can video call. So you can take a screenshot and WhatsApp me. 1190 was the price and the free shipping. All the products which I am showing you now, all were like free shipping. And this is orange shade. It's not a bright orange one. It's a pastel orange with a beautiful brush paint. This stem comes here. So these are the different colors which I'm showing you right now, and this price is also 1190 with the beautiful handwork with the mirror work. You can see here, so nice, and you can feel the fabric. And this comes with the foil print, and the foil print doesn't go. The beautiful bottom also, with the beautiful bottom, not only with the beautiful dupatta, beautiful bottom. You can see here the top comes like this, very beautiful and soft to soft, and dupatta comes with a shaded one. You can see here shaded, double shaded. See, double shaded chiffon dupatta. It's not cotton, chiffon, and the bottom comes like this. You can see how the print and the fabric feel. See, this is the bottom, full set. Beautiful colors. So these are the new colors which I got and which we have right now, and 1190 was the price with the free shipping. You can take a screenshot. Those who want pictures also, those are available. In this we have these colors, you know, which I have shown you the other one. This is blue in shade, very beautiful. I'll show you. I love these pants actually. So these are very nice and soft, so soft. So those who want pictures, please do WhatsApp me. We have one in other color. See, this is also the beautiful color with the combination with the print, with the foil print, everything, you know. You love the colors more than seeing in the video. If you see directly, you know, you like it very much. Now I'm going to show you this. Only single piece is available in this muslin, pure muslin. You can see the work here, all the work with the sequence work. See here, complete yoke part. This is a semi-stitched piece, and the price was 1750, and it comes with a beautiful dupatta. The dupatta is also muslin with all over the sequence to the dupatta. You can see here. This is a very beautiful one. So it comes like this with full of sequence, as you can see here. With the dupatta comes with a full sequence. Dupatta is the highlight part of this. Those who love dupattas, you can go with this. And the bottom will be this in this color. This price was 1750 with the free shipping. Those who love, take a screenshot and WhatsApp me. So these are one more semi-stitched pieces, ethnic wear in jam cotton. So it's too good in quality. So this is the piece, how it looks. You can see here comes the work to the up to the yoke part with a gotapati border. See here, beautiful colors. I have 4 in colors in this, and this is like beautiful satin printed digital print dupatta. So soft. You can see the self color you will get, not with the contrast or anything. And it comes with a pure cotton bottom. This is a semi-stitched piece. Yeah. Price was 1550 with the free shipping. We have 4 in colors, as you can see here. These are 4 in colors. See here, the beautiful blue, which I have shown you, was wine color, and this is blue color. So this is one more color, green color. So beautiful work. You can see the work also. It comes with a nice finishing and everything. And this is red in color. Those who love red, it's actually too bright red, not that other red which comes, but the beautiful work. 1550 was the price of these sets. Yeah, last 2 sets I'm showing you. This price is also 1000. This price is 1150 was the price, which comes with the beautiful, you know, gotapati borders. Here you can see here, very nice borders to the yoke part. It comes with a self bottom. See here, you can see it comes like this, very beautiful cotton piece. All I have shown you was a cotton piece except one bandhani crushed one. Those are chanderi material. Other rest all were cotton pieces. Those who love cottons and dress materials, you can directly ping me to the WhatsApp number. And this will be the bottom. See, this is the piece, actual piece. So beautiful pieces. It comes like this. It looks little very different. Yeah, 1150 was the price. We have two more colors in this. This is one blue color. Thank you, Kavita ma'am. This is a green, pastel green shade. We have 2 shades here. As you can see here, this is light green and this is one more blue shade. So this is one more color. This is also 1150 with the free shipping. We have 1250 pieces with the pure like soft cotton with the sequence work which I have shown you before. The same fabric with the same feel. You can see the yoke part will be like this. Very nice and beautiful sequence like pastel colors. And so nice, and body dupattas also will be different. Very nice in colors. See, as you can see. Actually, this part you'll get little more, as per your measurements, you can stitch it. Yeah, the you can feel the fabric very like it's very soft and very nice fabrics. This is also pure mal cotton dupatta. Is a different dupatta. So this is a dupatta you'll get. And this will be the bottom, contrast bottom. So nice colors you can see here. So the price was 1250 with the free shipping. Please take a screenshot. And we have mustard in yellow mustard, light mustard yellow in color with a combination of pink. You can see here. The same, those are the same fabrics. 1250 was the price of this. This is one more color, pink, and yellow is a contrast color for this. The dupattas and the fabric is too great and you can feel it. And we have blue in color, sky blue with the pink combination, like peach combination. It's not a pink, peach combination. So you can feel this. Yes, so nice and beautiful combinations. So this is one more piece I am showing you right now. This is 1050 was the price. This is a glaze cotton which comes with the printed dupatta, and you can get the work or like booties all over the like top. So bottom will be the same. This will be the bottom. See here, comes with a beautiful work, comes with the work and the stones over here. Hello Seema ma'am. So this will be the dupatta, very beautiful printed chiffon dupatta. And this will be the bottom. Yeah, price was 1050 with the free shipping. We have one more piece here, and this is a completely different piece, and the price was 1050 for this this also. It comes with already the neck part was given, the front part. So for this it comes with little work and the stones also here for the top, and the back will be like this. We won't give getting any top, like any work or anything. Only the front part you'll get little different. See here. And this is a dupatta. This looks very nice and chiffon fabric, but it's little different than others, but very nice piece. 1050 was the price of this with the free shipping. You'll get with this printed one, and the dupatta will be the contrast gray color. And I'll show you one more piece. This is pure handloom piece which I have only one left. Very nice combination with the green color. This is Mangalgiri Pattu. Those who very nice and beautiful Mangalgiri silk fabric. This top will be like, you'll get the border here and the down part. So if you want any computer embroidery also, we will be doing that. So you can contact us for that, for the bulk orders also. And this comes with a beautiful dupatta, it comes with a yellow shade, contrast shade. See here, even the dupatta comes with the zari lines and the zari border. Very nice and ethnic wear. See, and bottom comes with a pure cotton dupatta. Yes, sorry, bottom. You can see here, very nice combination. So if you can go with the mirror work or anything like that, with a simple neckline or like that, it goes very well. And 14.99 was the price of these, and with the free shipping. You can take a screenshot. Nice combination. You can even the fabric, I show you the fabric, very nice. Yes. The last but one pieces I'm showing you. Thank you, Kohil. And this is a glaze cotton fabric, and the price was 990 with the free shipping. Which one, ma'am, for the price you're asking? This for this, if you are asking, this is 990 was the price. Mangalgiri, that was 14.99 with the free shipping, ma'am. Very beautiful piece. If you want any simple neckline also, we can wear with extra charge, that was, but it goes very well. And this is one more piece with a glaze cotton. Actually, the neck comes like this. And chiffon dupatta with foil print, and this other color was mixed in this. So and bottom comes with the same color. This will be the piece. The price was 990, and if you like anything, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp me. We have 3 more colors in this. One is this green in color. This is glaze cotton. Yeah. So this is one more blue color. This is beige color. Those who love beige color, this will be good enough. Yeah. So guys, I think my time is also getting over. So these are all the collections of dress materials. So if you like anything, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp me, and please do forward it to your friends and family. So those who require dress materials, and we do customized more products. So if you require any computer works, Maggam or anything, you can just contact me. So in these dress materials, I assure you the quality, the main thing, the quality we maintain, not the price. So and one more thing, most of them will compare these products through online, through those who are doing online reselling. Please don't compare that. So this is our best products which I have shown you now. So I hope all of you like these products, and if you like, please do like and heart shape. So, and please forward to your friends, and please share it to your friends. So once again, I will tell you the number. 9986360099 is my WhatsApp number, so you can directly contact me there. You can take a screenshot and contact me, or if you require any pictures of particular dress materials also, this will be provided for you. So thank you for supporting me.